I've decided to grind off all the bottom paint on the keel, just to kind of see where I stand with the body filler situation. And it pretty much looks like the entire keel is covered with body filler. But what I've been finding, and now I can't find it again, what I've been finding is little pockets of water as I take off the bottom paint underneath layers of this Bondo. There was one here that I ground out, kind of like blisters on fiberglass. Yeah, there's one. You can see it kind of bubbling out. So I'm gonna have to grind that out, get the moisture out of there. I mean, some of this stuff can stay because it's not rusted underneath. It's not lifting, at least not yet. We'll see. A lot of work here. I'm not sure whether it would have been just easier to pay somebody $400 to strip this, but then I would have been stuck having to go back in and ferret out, which probably would have been 3 gallons of body filler. All right, more later. So, see the water coming out here? This is almost a ½ inch deep in the body filler. Remember what I said about the moisture going all the way through? This is a perfect example.